They see something that said, take a look at what happened.
The FBI has identified 20-year-old Thomas Matthew Crooks of Bethel Park, Pennsylvania, as the individual involved in the assassination attempt on former President Donald Trump at a campaign rally in Butler, Pennsylvania on July 13th. This remains an active and ongoing investigation, and anyone with information that may assist with the investigation is encouraged to submit photos or videos online at fbi.gov/Butler or call 1-800-CALL-FBI. The Bureau stated. Crooks was neutralized by a Secret Service sniper at the rally, according to officials. We do not currently have an identified motive, said Kevin Rojek, FBI Pittsburgh special agent in charge, at a briefing on Saturday night. Federal investigators reported that Crooks was not carrying identification, so they used DNA analysis to confirm his identity biometrically. During the incident, Trump was swiftly escorted off the stage and into a waiting vehicle before returning home to New Jersey. In a post on his Truth Social network, Trump stated that a bullet grazed the upper part of his right ear. Earlier, his spokesperson mentioned he was receiving treatment at a local medical center. I knew immediately that something was wrong when I heard a whizzing sound, shots, and felt the bullet grazing my skin, Trump wrote. There was significant bleeding, so I realized what was happening. Blood was visible on Trump's ear and face as protection officers rushed him away. The suspect was neutralized at the scene by U.S. Secret Service officers, as confirmed by the agency's spokesperson Anthony Guglielmi. Additionally, one bystander was fatally injured, and 2 others were critically injured. All 3 victims were male.